Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are talking about the now extended support of Windows 10 that is added for another year. And a lot of us talk about Windows 12. We've been talking about Windows 12 for a few years, and wondering, is there ever going to be a Windows 12 and when can it arrive? There is one interesting detail, and I will actually be saying this here, and it'd be interesting to just to go back when we're there next year and see if my prediction is right. And here it is. Over the Windows environment, there was never a time when there weren't any overlapping Windows versions together. So, to give an idea, when Windows XP came out, we still had, Windows Millennium and even Windows 98 support. Then, of course, Windows XP had to live together with Windows Vista and 7 and 8, there was a cohabitation where both were there, 7 and 8 together, and then even 7 and 10 and 8 and 10. And so there were always overlapping versions. Right now we're in the overlapping Windows 10, Windows 11 period. And as you notice, if Windows 10 this year would have ended support officially, it would have been the first time that a version of Windows is alone. It's the only version officially supported for users. So now that's not happening because we're continuing with a cycle of two systems overlapping. But next year, it might not be the extended support might not be extended again. Next year is probably the official final date. Now, you never know because, there's 3 years for business. So that means it's not that difficult for Microsoft to go through the Windows 10 and say, another year, let's give it the third year again and go to 2028. But let's speculate and say that Windows 10 end of support is official for October 12th, 2027. That is the end. And of course, Windows 11 will now get, something like 27H2. Now, the question here is, how about that extension is to give them time to prepare the release of a Windows 12 by the end of 2027, which means they'll end the Windows 10 support, but they'll have a new overlapping operating system and will overlap from Windows 11 and Windows 12 suddenly. And Windows 12, how about this being a fixed Windows 11? Meaning they're going to tweak this system so much and change things so much to try to please users that they'll eventually give it a new version number. And then we'll continue on by the end of 2027 with a Windows 12 and a Windows 11 overlapping each other, as the tradition has always been of overlapping Windows versions. So what do you guys think of this idea that I have? And how do you think that would be possible? I think this could be why we're getting another extension of Windows 10. What do you guys think? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.